All right, a quick one, guys. In this short video, it's not going to be lengthy. I'm not going to show you basic fundamental. I'm not going to show you strategies. I'm not going to show you portfolio management on how to, I will just show you how to enter a trade. Now, the essence of this video is to help some of us pick a trade. Okay, maybe probably because of the airdrop you're giving. Okay, how to trade on Bybit using the Bybit derivatives. Okay, so I'll just show us a short video. It's not going to be too comprehensive. It's not like this is not a tutorial from A to Z. Okay, just how to pick a trade. In case you see a signal from any group or in any of our platform, you can just enter the trade straight up. Okay, now to get started, here's one of my Bybit accounts. So I'll check my wallet, my asset, and I only have $5 here. I'm going to move this $5 to my what derivative copy trade, because this is my copy trading account. So now if you look at this section, my derivatives, I don't have any assets here. Look, I'm only having less than 80. Okay, less than $1 here. So I want to move assets from my wallet, from my funding to my derivatives. I'm going to click on transfer. Then I'll transfer the USDT straight to my derivatives, which is on spot trading. All right, okay, which is derivative account. I'm going to say maximum. I'm picking the $5. Then I'm going to confirm. Now I've successfully moved $5 to my derivative wallet, which is my trading wallet. In other platform we call it future trading, future wallet. So this is my future wallet. So whether they name it future or derivative is still the same thing. Now I want to trade it. I want to enter a trade now. I'm going to come to this pairing where you see BTC and USDT, this section here. I'm going to tap it. Upon tapping it, you pick any of the assets. So sometimes I can tell you trade LFT, trade whatever token. You just type the token name LFT, that is the token code. Then you see its pair. We have LPT, we have LFT, okay, and is it LPT? Let's look for a trade. Okay, let me pick a trade, just a common trade. Let me see from my home derivative. We have which of the token is high that we can trade. Okay, let's just pick just for the sake of this tutorial's sake, I'm gonna pick let's pick TROB, okay, or let's pick silly. So I'm going to pick silly. So you can type silly there. I'm going to short silly, for example, just for the sake of this tutorial. Go back to this section, type silly. You can type silly, you can type any token of your choice. So I'm going to pick silly against USDT perpetual. We have perpetual, so I'm going to pick this. Then sorry, I'm being fast, okay, so that you see how to try. I don't want this video to be too lengthy. I just want it brief. Now here's my available balance. We have two mode of trading here, two mode in trading. We have the isolated mode and we have the cross mode. So for newbies, isolated mode is not bad, but if you're using isolated mode, you can easily be liquidated, okay, if you don't know how to add margin. I don't want to really talk about all these things because this video is not about, it's not a fundamental. I have videos on this, okay. I don't know if I can lay my hand on those videos and send to our viewers group so to watch how to trade futures, okay. And we are explaining the isolated margin mode and the cross margin mode. So I would suggest you use cross margin mode, okay. For now, use cross margin mode. But if you have $50, you can I will tell you what to do. If you have $50 worth of account, you don't need to trade with more than, don't trade more than 5% or 3% of what you have. So 3% of $50 should be around $2.5 or so. That's what you expect to trade with, so you don't blow your account. So if you want to use isolated, you can isolate and say, okay, I'm trading with just $10. If anything happens to your account, you're only losing $10. That's what isolated means. You're isolating some amount from the whole capital you have. So if you're trading with $10, that $10 is what you're trading with. So if anything happens to that, you're only losing $10. But if you're using cross margin and you're trading with $5, if anything happens, if the market goes against you, you can blow your $50 out, but it's still safer because you have enough space, enough margin to cover your liquidation and all that. So I use cross. Most of my trades are cross margin. So if not because some of us are giving some bonuses to trade on Bybit, I would suggest that you move maybe part of it. You can divide your assets into two parts, take part and move them to transfer them to spot, okay, not on your derivatives, so that you trade comfortably. If anything happens, you know that you're trading $25, you're not missing, but you're not putting the whole $25. So now I have $5 here now, and I want to use cross. So I'm not going to use the whole $5. That's the mistake most of us are making. We just enter with the whole $5. I'm sorry I'm being fast with this video, but I don't want it to be lengthy. This is not the normal regular tutorial trading feature. You can't just trade all this. You cannot learn feature in just one day. Okay, I cannot touch every part of features in just one day. I just want to show you how to pick a trade, how to exit a trade, set your stop loss and close out from the trade. Okay, that's just the essence of this video. So at the same time, the video too can also help you. Over time, you can just do some little reviews, ask questions in various groups. Okay, how do I do this? Maybe as time goes on, I'll create more content, more video, more explaining videos on this. So as it is now, I'm just going to pick we have most of us know how to use limit and limit order and market order. Limit order is for you to enter. If I drop a signal that's okay, enter at 0.221 or 0.1, you enter the entry price. Okay, that's where you enter 0.1. Okay, 0.01, sorry, 0.01. If I say you enter 0.01, okay, then enter the quantity. I can say I want to trade with just $1. This is what I'm trading with under the cost. The cost is what you're spending. So I'm either longing or shorting. Short is to sell, long is to buy. Short is to short the market, long is to long the market, which is buy the market. Buy is long, sell is short. Okay, so I want to short this token now. You come to this leverage. Most times I drop signals, okay, and I tell you enter with 10% leverage, 20% leverage, whatever leverage. I'm going to use all of this, maybe 20x leverage. So this one is for short position, this is for long position. So once you set it, becomes default on this particular asset, okay, on this particular contract. So anytime you go to silly, you'll be seeing 12.5x, 12.5x. That means you set your leverage already. So at $1.4 was what I'm trading. Once I click on short, now it's open position for me. Now look at my entries around 0. What? Okay, my entry, since I'm shorting the market, I can say I'm shorting the market from 0.5, for example. So if I click on short, watch, it will open a position for me, but not, it will open an order for me. This is the trade I want to enter and I want to trade. This is the coin I want to short, but it will not open the position for me because my entry price is around 0.05. That means this market needs to pump to 0.05 before I can start, before it to open or trigger a position for me where I'll start either earning or I'll start losing. So if you check the chart, most of us don't know how to chart. The current price is around 0.02. So this is my entry point, which is around 0.05. It's still fast. So that means this market have to pump down to this level before it will trigger an open position for me. So I don't think the coin can get to that position today or anytime soon. So I'm going to cancel this particular call order. So I've canceled the order. Sorry, let me cancel the order. I've canceled the order. Okay, then I'll just use market. So that's if you have to use limit order. So most of our signals, or most of the signals you'll be seeing on social media or online, will have to do with an open and close order. All right. Let's now. Something came up. So let's continue. Now this is market order now. So we are switched to market order. So when it comes to market order, it will pick any of this market price. We have different order prices, so to pick either the highest or the lowest. So here's the current market of this trade. So now when I use market order, it will just trigger position. Sometimes I can drop a signal and I tell you enter now, just now. That means you should enter that trade at that particular period of time, as long as I don't put entry. Sometimes I put entry a range between 0.023 to 0.025. So within that range you enter. So if the market is up or is low and I did not drop any entry price, I can tell you enter now. That means you have to use the current market price. So using current market price, you're not going to use limit this time around. You're going to select just market. Then you adjust your gauge. If you're spending $1 plus, you see it under the cost. Then I'll click on short. This time if I'm to click on short, it's not going to trigger an order for me. It will just open the position straight away because I'm using the market order. So as you can see, I've created a position, and this time I use the market order. See, I have an open position now. If you check the order, there's nothing in the order, no available assets, no limit order, trade. Rather, I have an open position. That's right. So if you have a $50 that was given to you by Bybit and all those things, derivative, you can use future trading to clean. As you trade, you can get profit, whatever profit you make, because under this section we have what they call PNL. The PNL means profit and losses. So, and they are unrealized. As it is now, I'm at 0.01% loss. Okay, unrealized profit. So I'm still not on loss because I've not closed the trade. When I close the trade, that you now see it as what my losses. For now, it is just unrealized profit and losses. And in this section, here is the liquidation, estimated liquidation. Based on this asset, I have about $4 left here as my available balance now. So because of my available balance, you see that my liquidation price is around 0.031. So that means this is going to pump to 0.03158 before I will get liquidated. That means before I will lose the whole of this asset I have here, which is $4.6. So that's one benefit when you use cross margin. But if I use isolated margin, like I said, I'm being fast. Okay, I don't want this video to be too lengthy. I don't want to touch everything on future trading, so sorry about that. So if I'm to use isolated margin, then my liquidity margin will be very close to my price, maybe the current price will be very close. But when you have enough fund that using cross, it will shift your liquidation price further from the market price. Okay, so that means this market will have to pump to where to 0. Let me show you my is still far. So that means from here, look at my entry position, and this is 0.1. And look at our okay 0.03 our estimated losses. Okay, I've not, this is my liquidation. Now let's set our take profit and stop loss, okay, to see where our take profit and stop loss is. So now I've not said that, I'm just showing us this. It's going to be brief. I'm not going to explain much. So this time around I have to click on this asset. You click on the asset, or you click on set TP or SL. TP means take profit, while SL means stop loss. So I can either touch this part and I'll click on this section where you see TPSL here. Okay, if I click on TPSL here to take me to this take profit and stop loss window, or if I should just click on this, it will just take me there to take profit and stop loss. So I can adjust by percentage. So sometimes I give us take profit entry, or so let's say price, and stop loss price. So for take profit, I can say, okay, I'm taking this token at, when it gets 150%, I'm making $1.7 just because of the amount I'm trading with. So I can say I want to take profit when this token drops to 0.1. At 0.01, I'll be getting, which is around 709%, I'll be making $8. I can make this as my take profit, it's too far. You and I know that this coin cannot just go to 0.1. Okay, but just for the sake of this tutorial. So then for the stop loss, I can say my stop loss should not be too far from the market price. So I can put my stop loss at this percentage to gauge it. Let's say at 21%, I'll be losing 0.2. So I can put it at, okay, let me take it to 0.3 for example. That means I will need to be on minus 371% for me to lose $4. That's what take profit is. I'll now click on OK, and I say okay, confirm. Now if you look at the chart, now you now see the distance between my take profit and my stop loss. This is the current market price of the coin. This is the current market price, and my stop loss, let me zoom. Okay, now this is the current market where I entered the market. Here's my take profit. So the coin will need to drop to 0.01 below this section for me to take profit, and my stop loss is around this. That means this coin will need to pump from this ending to this position for me to lose that $4. So this is just all I can show us on how to trade future. So if you want a comprehensive video from the scratch, fundamental, how to trade future, both the fundamental, both the strategy, how to maximize your losses and make profit from it, then you can negotiate with your admin. You can talk to your admin. Then I think they can actually reach out to any of us, or you meet your admin or anybody that is actually good in future to coach you. Okay, to coach you on how to trade future. But if you want me to trade, to teach you, to train you, to guide you on how to trade future, then you can either contact any of your admin, or you can follow just on my YouTube channel. You can drop a chat, then I will just give you maybe drop a WhatsApp link, then you chat with WhatsApp, then we can talk about the class. All right, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Even though it's brief, at least with this one you can actually maximize the little bonus you're giving on Bybit, and bring something out of it. A lot of people have started trading. I gave out a call today, and people are actually making profit from that call. So I will still drop other signals, other call from, I will send the across of various groups, and also in one of our trading groups, so that you can actually make more money from future trading. Future is very interesting. Okay, all right, thank you, goodbye.